Hello and welcome to a FreshMember review brought to you by Wildfire Concepts. So what is FreshMember? Well, FreshMember is a new all-in-one membership platform that allows you to create unlimited membership sites without having to upload scripts or plugins to your own server. It's a pretty cool piece of software, and this includes professional themes and layouts, digital downloads, multiple ways to deliver your content, reporting and analytics, different ways to accept payments, affiliate platforms, protected cloud hosting, white label options, and much more. So what I'm going to be doing during this video is we are going to be taking a look at the membership site creation. We are going to create our very first membership site in a matter of minutes with FreshMember just to see how easy it truly is. Next up, we are going to take a look into their content creation because content is king, and we're going to take a look at the functionality and see if we can pump out a few content pages without any hassle. Next up, I'm going to take a look at the reporting and the analytics because statistics are important to me, and we're going to see which data FreshMember provides for us and how we can use that data to grow our membership. And last but not least, the engagement is vital. So I'm going to take a look and see just how easy FreshMember has made it for us to engage with our members and keep them active inside of our membership. So here I am right now logged inside of my FreshMember account. And the first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and create my very first membership and just see how simple it really is. So let's go ahead and click on create new project. And right off the get-go, we can see that we have 7 different elements that we need to kind of edit and customize to create our membership. So that's not bad. So first off, we need a membership name. So I just went ahead and I named it Wildfire Concepts FreshMember Review. And as I type that out, it kind of gives me a URL already. We can go in here, we can customize this URL, but it cannot be changed later on. So I'm going to leave it just like that. We have the option to enter a description about our website. I'm going to leave it blank for now. And we have the option to enable or disable the form. I'm going to leave that enabled for now. I'm going to click on next. And next up we have design and branding, and we have 10 different designs here, 10 different layouts that we can use for our membership website. And you can kind of get a little preview here of what each layout looks like. So you can kind of choose which one that fits your style. I am just going to go with this one here, a minimal. I am going to click on select and click on yes, and that's going to upload the layout for me. And once that is finished and we scroll down here, we have the option to change the background color of the top and the footer and upload our own logo. I'm going to go ahead and click on next. Now we need to enter our payment information. So we have PayPal here, we have Stripe, we have JVZoo, and we have DigiResults. So you can click through here, you can enable all of these, or you can have just one of them, up to you. I am not going to enter my PayPal right now. I'm going to go ahead and click on next, and I can come back to that later. Next up, we have our membership levels. We have the level name, how much it costs to join that level. We can click on detail. That's going to give us a pop-up menu here that we can enter how long the term lasts. So is this a 30-day membership? Is it a 1-year membership? Things like that. We can enter how many times this recurring payment happens. Is it unlimited? Does it happen just one time? And we can have a trial period and a trial price. So I'm going to leave it just like it is, a 30-day membership that costs $10. If I want to add another level, I just click on this plus symbol here, and I can change the name and call this a premium level and have it cost $50 per month. And for the detail, we'll leave that at a rebill of every 30 days. Now for the checkout URL, you have a unique link for each of your membership levels. Now, if you plan on using an affiliate platform like JVZoo or DigiResults, they're going to give you a unique URL that you need to enter into the JVZoo IPN, and same thing for DigiResults. If you are going to use PayPal or Stripe, they actually give you your own checkout page. So if we go to order link here, it's going to redirect us to a checkout page, and this is what it looks like. And you have your own custom checkout page, which is actually very cool, that you can use, and you can switch it between PayPal or just Stripe or whatever payment solutions you are using. So that's pretty sweet. So I'm going to go ahead and click on next for now. And next up, we have the email integration. You have all these different options that we have here that we can connect to our membership account. And we also have the email templates that we can customize, the welcome email, the forgot password email, and the customer receipt. So we can edit all these and connect our autoresponders. I'm going to go ahead and click on next here. And from here, we can do a custom checkout template. So you actually just seen what mine looked like a second ago, and that was this one here. So we can preview these, or we can select it to change it. So I can click on select this one, click on yes, and that's going to update my checkout page to match that one there. After that, I'm going to click on next again, click on finish, and that is going to create our membership site for us. So it didn't take that long to create a membership website. So now we have it set up. We are inside of my dashboard here for my membership website. And let's go ahead and take a look around and see what FreshMember has to offer. So the very first thing that I'm interested in is the content pages. So I'm going to click on member pages over here. And I want to make sure that it is simple to create my lesson pages and deliver the content that I need to deliver. So I'm going to click on the plus symbol here. I am going to add a new category first because I like to break my lessons into different categories. So I'm going to call this module 1, and this is going to be for my basic level members. I'm going to enable this category. I'm going to click on add category, and the category was added successfully. And now I'm going to go to the plus symbol again. I am going to go to add new page so that we can see just how simple it is to go ahead and create a content page for my members. So we need a page title. So I'll make this lesson 1 here. Beneath that, I will just go ahead and type up my lesson content. And it kind of looks like WordPress, or any blogging software where you can type up your content on the canvas here. We have the option to insert images and videos. I will go ahead and insert a video real quick. When you click on the video button here, you need to go ahead and upload your video. I went ahead and uploaded one, and I have it over here. So now all we have to do is click this little blue arrow, and it's going to insert the video into our post. Just like that right there. And you can come through here and you can finish typing your content. Scrolling down a little bit more, we can insert our own page excerpt. We can do SEO tags. And we have the option to attach downloads, which is pretty cool. I'm going to go ahead and set this to published. I am going to submit it just so we can enable the option to add downloads. Now we see our page down here that we just created. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to click on edit. I want to scroll back down. And we have the option to attach downloads to our page. So I'm going to click on browse, and I am just going to attach a text file that I have on my desktop right now. And you have the option to attach text files, PDFs, or zip files to your content page. Now I'm going to scroll back up, and on the right hand side we have the option to publish this, pending, or draft. We can choose when to publish this. We can also choose to drip feed this content. If I say yes, I can choose how many days I want to go by before this content is released to my members. I'm going to set this to no for now. Of course, we can upload videos, we can upload a featured image, we can choose which category I want this to be in module 1. We can choose who the author is, we can choose if this is free or paid content, and do we want to enable or disable the comments, and which layout do we want to use. So I'm going to go ahead and update this, and I want to preview it and see what it looks like. So once that loads up, this is what my content page looks like. We have my title, we have my content that I typed up, my video that I attached, we have my downloads that I attached. It gives us a cool little download box with download links to the content that I uploaded. And then we have our comment section down here where I can leave a comment. So that's pretty cool, and I created that actually very quickly. The video uploaded very quickly. I like the idea of attaching my downloads and then giving me a little download box. And if we jump back over here to the member pages, they make it really simple to create your different modules and your categories, and then layer your content pages inside of each module, which I really like that because that was always a hassle for me when creating my membership websites, trying to set up the permissions for each and every page. So basically with FreshMember, you set up your permissions based on the category, like I did for module 1, and then every single page that you insert inside of that category automatically has those permissions applied to those individual pages. So that's a really cool feature that I really liked when I started playing around with FreshMember. So if we now jump over here to the reports, which I don't have any sales right now since I just created my membership website, but they are going to provide us with our sales history, which is pretty cool for every single month. And then how many members we have for each month, how many new members that we have for every single month. And we can jump back between different years, which is all just your standard reporting and analytics. It's built into FreshMember as well. And quickly running through all of our navigation links on the left-hand side, we have our dashboard where it's going to give you an overlook of your member activity, any recent comments, and any recent members that join your membership. We have our member pages, which we just went over, where you can create your different categories and your lesson pages inside of each category. We have our site pages, which is going to be your welcome dashboard, your about us, your contact us, things like that. Pages that are site-wide and don't need any certain permissions for members to view them, they're going to go here. Next up, we have the option to customize our navigation. So we have a top navigation and we have a sidebar navigation, as we seen when I was viewing our membership website. And to simply add them, you're going to select module 1, for example, and then you can select, do you want to add this to the top navigation or do you want to add this to the sidebar navigation? So I could click sidebar and it'll go over there for us. And then for the welcome, I want to add that to my top navigation. just like that. And we can also add custom links as well. And we can add custom navigations depending on which membership level is currently logged in. So you can have a custom navigation appear for gold members and a custom navigation appear for platinum members. So we're going to save that. Next up, we have our members here. And let's go ahead and quickly add a test member really quick so we can see what that looks like. I'm going to click on add member. And I went ahead and I quickly just filled this information out. So I gave my member a name, email address, and a password. I enabled this user. We have the option to notify this user, and we're going to turn that off. And we have the option to make this a free user or a paying user. We can choose which membership level we want them to be a part of, their transaction ID, their payment gateway, how much they spent, when they joined, when the membership is going to end, and the status is completed. So I'm going to click on add member. And it's going to load up like this here. And when people start joining your membership, it's going to look just like this. We can click on their view order history and we can see all the details about this member, how many times they paid, the total amount they paid to us. This is also where we can come in to refund their payment and cancel their membership and all the different things that are there for editing their profile and things like that. Next up, we have our levels over here where we can come in, we can edit the levels that we already have, we can add new levels, we can change anything, and we can grab our order links for the current levels that we have. And then we have the comments, all the different comments that we have on our website. We can come here and manage those comments. Down here in the bottom left-hand corner, we have a settings option where you can come in and you can customize your membership website, the appearance of it, the checkout pages, the editor, the payment integration, and all of that good stuff. And if you ever just want to jump back to the main dashboard, we click on this button up here where it says 1 out of 100 projects. And that's going to take us back to our account dashboard where we can see all the different membership sites that we currently have up and running. As we can see here, I currently only have one membership site. From here, I can view this site, I can add members, I can go in here and manage it or edit the settings or delete it if I wanted to. And of course, I can also create a new project, a new membership website. So that there is the basic overview of FreshMember, and that's exactly what it looks like inside once you sign up. So now that we have taken a look inside of FreshMember, how does it compare to the competition that is out there? So with this quick sample, I'm going to compare it with Kajabi and with Wishlist. Now Kajabi is the exact same thing as FreshMember, where they host your membership sites for you, and Wishlist is just a WordPress plugin that you have to buy and install on your WordPress website. So first of all, the price. FreshMember is $37 per month, Kajabi is $2.99 per month, and Wishlist is $2.97 per site. So you have to buy a license for Wishlist each time you want to set up a membership website on WordPress. So now there are a few main key features that I feel I should mention comparing all three of these. For one, FreshMember has unlimited websites and unlimited members. Kajabi, they have a limit on their websites and their members. And for Wishlist, it's just one site per license. So every time you wanted a new membership website, you will need to buy a new license. FreshMember does have professional themes and layouts. Kajabi does not have professional themes and layouts. And with Wishlist, it's a plugin, so you need to be using WordPress, and that's going to involve you getting your own WordPress theme and layout that you want to use for your membership website. FreshMember also has unlimited product attachments to your content pages. Kajabi requires a paid upgrade to do that. And Wishlist, again, it's a WordPress plugin, so you're going to be using WordPress to upload your attachments and deliver those to your members. FreshMember has reporting and analytics for your members and your sales. Kajabi does not, and Wishlist does not. And FreshMember also has all of the important integrations, the payment integrations and the affiliate integrations. Kajabi does not have all of the important ones, and neither does Wishlist. So after playing around on it for a few days now, I do have a few final thoughts regarding FreshMember. For one, it's really quick and simple to set up, as you've seen with my live demonstration. We had our own membership website set up and running in just a matter of minutes. I do like the idea that you can create unlimited websites and unlimited customers. I do not like the limits that Kajabi tries to give me with how many sites and how many customers I can have. And that's really what I like about FreshMember. I also really like the custom themes and the custom layouts. I like to make my membership website unique and personalized for myself and my members, and looking like everyone else isn't really an option. So being able to customize that was a big plus for me. I like that they have all the best integrations, both for payments and affiliates. A lot of people do use affiliate networks like JVZoo, DigiResults, and things like that, and being able to integrate with those is definite plus. Plus, the custom checkout pages was a huge bonus. I do appreciate the in-depth reporting and analytics that they provide for us. Nowadays, that seems like it's a must with every software, and it seems like that's something that we should have. But a lot of programs like we've seen with Kajabi, they don't offer the in-depth reporting and analytics. And I like the idea that I can just jump in there and see how long a member has been with me and how much money they have spent with me. Which takes me right into my simple member management and engagement. You've seen how simple it was to bring up a member's profile, how much money they spent with me, how long they've been with me, and their entire history with my membership website. I really appreciate that. And the engagement is there with the option to easily implement forums and comments into all of your pages. It was also very easy to create my content pages with my attachments. You've seen how simple it was to attach a video to my content page, to attach images, and I really appreciate just how simple it was to add downloads to the bottom of my content page. A lot of the times, I have things for my members to download, whether it be a PDF checklist, a text file, some kind of software or plugin, and being able to quickly upload that and have FreshMember create my custom download box with a custom download link. That was a key feature that I absolutely loved. And last but not least, the affordable price compared to the alternatives. You've seen the pricing, $37 per month compared to $300 plus per month for the other solutions. So if you are looking for a very simple and easy way to set up unlimited amounts of membership websites and integrate them with your favorite payment processors and affiliate networks, I highly recommend that you check out FreshMember, as I believe that this is a software and program that is here to stay.